Mihango ya kuya makurutu a borithi no iguthii na mbere ta uria thirikari iratanyite thutha igoti inene guteaniria cira uria urahanditwo ni Eliud Matindi.
We are not only recruiting young men, they are not only going to get a job, but we are also getting a reformist team a team that is going to push and move police to the next level of development. So to me, it is not just a new team of police officers, but officers who are to come in and assist us and support us in the reform agenda.
Akiari na andiki a mohoro thutha wa gucera ceceni-ini ya borithi iria iraheire ya Kiamariga Mathira kaunti-ini ya Nyeri, munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja augite maroya makurutu 10,000 guothe bururi-ini kuria oritie mbeũ njithi kuoya kamweke gaka na njira nginyaniru. Kanja akiuga maabitha aya ni makanyita itemi inene hari kwagĩrithia mibango ya ugitĩri hindi ya gĩthurano gĩũkĩte.
Very important component, the recruitment, new officers into the service. To me, that is something that is very, very important. Remember, we have got a general election that is coming in less than 21 months to come. So we need to prepare adequately. And getting those 10,000 police officers is a clear indication that is a good mark actually moving forward.
Mari hamwe na mũmbunge wa Mathira Eric Wamũmbi na seneta Homo wa Matinga nimeranĩire gwaka werũ ceceni ĩno thutha wayo gũthũkangio nĩ mwaki.
Ofisi ya IG na ofisi ya waziri na ofisi ya housing tumenyora tugwaka station yenge tumakire nyumba cia guikara imwe ni iraheire ti ciothe iraheire kuguo makire na nyumba cia guikara na kuguo ni twarikanira ula tukumakira station yenge tundu yothe ni iraheire document ciothe irahea kindu kira gitanaheano amari na kuguo ni twarikanira uria tukunyitanira.
Wakere ni kuhoya county government ya Nyeri magerie kurora fire engines cia ire ci sub county na iria itare magerie turie governor agerie go procure nigetha ria kwagia mwaki toyo tondu kora kana na fire engine irakinyira within 10 minutes tutingironi hathara eno.
Hamwe na uguo Kanja akiuga thirikari ni igite ugitiri wa kuigana hindi ya ithurano nini iria itanyitwo gutafanio mweri-ini uyu na makiria mwena wa mbere ya rugongo.
The police working together with electoral commission is to ensure that there is security, and the business of police is to ensure that there is safety and security to the people. So I want to assure all these the people of Bera and everywhere else that the police is going to do what is required of them.
Hado-ini Inooro TV kuma Kiamariga, Njĩta Theuri wa Mbogo.